Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show you how I prepare this egg flour. So, this is very easy recipe, and to start we will put a plastic film in two different bowls. Also you can use a glass or a cup, and we need a little bit of oil inside. Now we will spread well with a silicone brush and put the eggs inside, one here and another here. It's ready. And now we need a little bit of salt and also a little bit of pepper. Also, if you like, you can put a sweet paprika. This will give a touch of color and taste. So now I will close this egg flour. We have to close very well and that there is no air inside, like this. Okay, like this. We can turn and close. Ready to cook. We will cook in boiling water, like this. You also can put a skewer stick to make them stand tall, like this. And we will cook for about 5 minutes. And if you like to have a very cooked egg, you can cook 10 minutes. So between 5 and 10 minutes. For me it's okay with 5 minutes. I will open to check how is the egg inside. So with a scissor we will cut the edges like this, and it have the oil inside, so it's very easy to separate. Now you will see we cut all the edges and the plastic film is very easy to remove. So you can use it like a side dish for a meat, a chicken, a fish, or also in a risotto. It's very good. Now we will check how is inside with 5 minutes of cooking. I will put some parsley to decorate. And now let's go to check. That's great. Very good egg flour. So remember, if you like it, please to support the channel, thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Thanks, and see you next video.